Yeah.
This real rap right here, bro. This real.
Salute it.
Salute. Go ahead, young Davon. When I woke up, I could've swore it was a good month. I checked the mail, I think about my life, what it was. I swear this thing is going in my mind. I'm trying to be out of space like mankind. Trying to take my time to do the right thing, but I'm doing the wrong thing. And I smoke them damn trees, and I know it's killing me inside, but I gotta grow. And I got these feelings in my life that they gotta show. Gotta go through the door of life, through the door precision. I'm still here trying to live my life, cutting scissors out the fakes and the phonies. Swear I'm so lonely. That's why I wish I had a pretty lady to come hold me. Damn. Oh.
Yeah.
Damn.
Look, I see when I get it all, I bless it like I live it. Never had to worry about. Mama told me get it. How I live it, how I get it, how I do it, how I visit. Niggas know I'm in the game. I ain't even winning. Trying to get this money, trying to get this paper. I'm all about this money, nigga. Fuck all of you haters. Niggas in my circle. We gotta wait on that. We gotta write something to that.
Beat still going on. That's good. Look, I say forgive me for my sinning. On the team we really winning. Coming through everything, smiling and they grinning. You gotta watch these snakes cause they bite you in your back. You gotta go win, yeah, you gotta really attack your life. Stay strong, breathe every day you can. Waking up in the morning screaming yes I can. Looking in the mirror, looking at my reflection, still here standing. I know the Lord blessings.
Counting all these blessings, counting all these blessings, mama, counting all these blessings. I ain't never had it, never had to brag it. Always taught by rules, never have it. Chillin' in the coop with my niggas in the booth, smoking roof, chillin'. Hold up. We gotta raise out of that, Blake. He got you. That beat.